Hey, I want to give you a quick review on this Laziiey gun cleaning kit. This has pretty much everything you need for the majority of calibers that are the most common. I'm not going to mention them what they are, but you can kind of see that they have them listed. Some of the great things that you have your brass rods that that you basically can use. Obviously, if you have extensions, you can do that. Each one of them will actually screw on to the next, the ones that you need to go on here so that you can clean them. It does come with some oil canisters, so you can put oil in here. There's no oil included. You've got your brushes that would go here. You've got your bronze wire things, and you have quite a few patches. These are the cleaning patches that you would use for a kind of oil lubrication as well. You basically take some of these patches and you slide them through here, that kind of thing. But if you look at this kit, it has everything that you need. All of the listed, like I said, major calibers that you would look for any of the guns that you probably have, that kind of thing. And obviously these rods, they go they go together. They'll for shotguns, handguns, pistols, revolvers. Maybe you want to clean your airsoft or things like that. But if you're looking for a good kit, this has plenty of stuff in here, and it's really good. So pick it up. I think you're going to love it.